Okay, so we've got Roman. Roman, where are we?
We are at Peninsula Cars and Coffee, Seaside, California. This is our annual car week to do. There's cars everywhere, and this is our biggest event of the year. So
Great.
we love it.
All right, and what do we have behind you?
It's the 1959 Peerless GT, made in Slough, England. It's got a TR3 engine and gearbox, Dion rear end, and it's a tube chassis, fiberglass body, of course.
And about how many of these did Peerless make?
Peerless made 325 cars, and I don't know if I have this number right, but approximately 35 cars left-hand drive.
Okay.
This is one of them.
Yeah.
This car's been in the United States since new. Been on the East Coast and Midwest most of its life. Been in California about the last 12 years. I believe I'm the 13th owner or something like that. I have a whole list of the past owners and a little bit of the race history.
I don't see too much foreign fiberglass, so
Yeah, right.
always got to highlight it when we see it. I
Yeah.
love the fins,
Yeah,
little baby fins.
yeah. That's what grabbed. The first time I saw one, that's what grabbed me.
And now, how long have you owned it?
Oh, I think 5 weeks.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right.
Although I've been looking for, I don't know, 15 years, hoping that someday I'd be able to get one. And this one popped up, and it was in California, and it was left-hand drive. So I had to figure it out. Made it work.
Great.
Oh.
You just take it all over the place? You just bring it out for events? Still trying to shake it down after
I
5
have
weeks?
to admit that this is my third drive in the car was
Okay.
today. And what I didn't expect is what a great car it is to drive. I have to admit I bought it because it was pretty. I mean, they race them, so I thought it's got to be a fast car.
Right.
But I was pleasantly surprised the first time I drove it. What a great car it is to drive.
It looks beautiful.
Fast and nimble and raw and primitive all at the same time.
So now the ones we're used to, you know, typically the companies, Victress, Ladari, they're just
Yeah.
bodies. Did Peerless fully build these cars?
They did.
Okay.
They did, yeah.
Very cool.
Peerless was only around for a couple years, and then the company morphed, and they made a car that looks almost identical, but in metal, called a Warwick GT. And then that didn't last long. They made, I think, about 100 of those, and that morphed into the Gordon GT, the Gordon Keeper.
Okay.
So they all are sort of, it's all family.
All right.
But yeah, Peerless is only around for 2 years. Peerless entered LeMans in '58 and placed 16th overall. I mean, just came from out of nowhere. 16th overall, LeMans.
Pretty great.
Considering who else was there, it's pretty great. And then they disappeared just as fast. So that's the one. That's their one blip on the radar in the history of the automobile is showing up at LeMans and placing 16th amongst all the bigger manufacturers is.
And driving off into the sunset,
And then
quite
literally
literally.
folding,
Yeah.
6 months later or whatever it was, you know.